Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular YouTube channel video will making shorts, long video. Most of the important is called business purpose. Any YouTube video will making main purpose you can generating leads from your YouTube channel option. So many peoples are making video will be here. So I'm selecting for sale laptop work. Then into the particular sale will be second-hand laptops and in a particular YouTube shorts purpose, how you can making video will be using Canva option. First of all, video will be making Canva purpose. The particular size will be 1080 by 1920 pixel. Select your particular size. After size you selected will be here. Your what are the video recording will be here. The video will be in this. But before that, I'm selecting for select one particular theme. So what is the here? And which video will be making here? Video selected. So video reach is more or image reach is more. Always we can setting for video reach is the more we can do the audience. So at a time, I can publishing for two videos on your particular post option. Buy now. So buy now we can given where you can buy now. So that is the buy now will be using option name is called Sri Laptop Well. So that will be using for this option. So what are the text you can use it and background will be here. So I'm given by the two futures. And the same like that, our very important is called our watermark. That I mean by our logo. The logo will be what are the logo you design that can reach the particular audience is more important. The logo will be using will be left side corner or right side corner. Anything will be possible. So this will be not visible to the users. So what we can click here. So we can click this option. I'm using white background. Click this. Any changes required? Done. How much zoom will be required? We can zoom your particular logo will be in this after this. Same logo, copy and then paste it will be here. So what are the logo you can use will be here. Particular logo will be use the particular option. So this will be we can give effective will be in this background. So they will be cover your particular face. So simple control A and we can use this option. Make it then click for here and download. They will be use the original music. In original music, along with you can use the any particular audio, you have to use it here. You can use the particular audio also. So music and audio both can applicable or not. So some people are looking for question. So video and audio and music can possible or not? Easily possible. Add it here. After audio soundtrack, simple. Click this. Go to value. Very less than we can value, we can decrease it. Very small music we can show to the particular users. There will be no disturbance by your particular audio. Click for download by using for MP4 format. Any shot will making along with voice and music, and a video will be customized by yourself in the making a camera. Then we can upload by the using Canva option. Which voice we can decrease? We can decrease the music and voice also. Anything will be possible on particular Canva option. We can making this option will be here and make the video, upload by YouTube. Same shots will upload by the Instagram and upload by the Facebook. Same size will be. The particular size will be YouTube Shorts and Reel of Facebook, Instagram, 1080 by 1920 pixel. Same video size applicable by the Twitter and LinkedIn also will be applicable. So if you want anyone making video time, any questions on Canva, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support. In a premium version, Canva created anything possible on particular Canva option. So right now I'm using will be free version with existing video file for making a video upload on social media networks. For more details, please contact our channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.